Ladies and gentlemen, grab yourself a hot cup of coffee because right here in front of us, we got some sweet products to show you. These products right here in front of us can be found on coolgadget.com, which has awesome electronics to your wireless charging, levitating lamp I'm gonna get to, and these are my personal favorite. Levitating lamp might take that spot, but we have the LED triangles that are Amazon Alexa enabled and Google Assistant as well. These things are sweet. I'm looking forward to my office remodel, putting these up on the wall. They also sell hexagon ones as well, so definitely look at the top link in the description box below. Again, coolgadget.com. They have home decor, daily essentials, and of course electronic products. So first and foremost, these things are super cool. They come in different colors. I got a dark gray and a pink here. I'm going to give those away as stocking stuffers to my family, but here is what it is. It is a fast charging wall plug port. You have USB Type-C to USB right here. I just plugged in my smartwatch, USB right into that for fast charging. Flip up plug, definitely travel efficient there. And these are 67 watt dual plug. Definitely grab a couple of these if you want to get your phone smart device charged up a little quicker. And with that in mind, this is a really cool cable they offer as well. This one is called the Star Cable 4-in-1 fast charging data cable, which would go perfect for the port I just showed you. And what's so cool about this plug is we have iPhone lightning cable right here, but then you push on this upwards, that folds down, and then that becomes a USB Type-C. So you got your iPhone and your USB Type-C for Samsung all in one with USB Type-A over here on the left side. And with that said as well, this one pops open, the USB-A for a USB Type-C. So you get both of those where you can have, especially if you're on the go editing, traveling, this cable literally could take care of both you and your spouse's charging needs, because especially USB folds up to Type-C. Type-C would go in there. Someone else could use the top port. iPhone or Droid, that's going to come in real handy. And that is a flat braided cable as well. That's a pretty cool cable. On that note, let's get to the next awesome product for your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods. This is a 3-in-1. You're going to have a USB to USB Type-C charger input cable, but what that's going to do is check this thing out. We have magnet on the back, tempered glass. This folds up. This little trap door comes down. I do not have an iPhone myself, but my sister-in-law will be getting this for Christmas. So let's just act like that's an iPhone right there. Has magnetic back to it. Again, little foot stand for it there. And then a coil in the back to charge up your watch and AirPods as well. That is a pretty, with an anti-slip little mat in the back here. That's a pretty cool device as it folds flat. Take that while you travel. That's definitely cool. Next up, before we get to the really good products, let's take a look at another product here very quickly. This is a mini electric air pump. Comes with a little net bag, of course, user manual, your football, basketball, volleyball air pump nozzle tip there. This is rechargeable battery powered as well. And you have a pull up valve for your mountain bike tires, your bicycle tires, etc. And then go ahead and of course peel that little plastic thing and you got your LCD indicator underneath here. That of course just screws on right on top right here to be able to pump up your tires, and you have an LED light right here. Great little product. And this you just push up and that comes up, pushes down. So you can literally have that under the front seat of your car in your glove box, or even if you're on a long electric bike ride, you could have a little satchel bag that would fit right in compared to my hand. You can see how small that is. And now on to these. Let's just show you what's inside the box real quickly. Now again, you can buy multiple sets and connect these together, which is really awesome. And again, if you don't like the triangles, of course you can get their hexagons on their website once again as well. User manual, and then these are just little protective covers here. I have another set of these, so I'm very familiar with these here. So this is what the triangle looks like right here. It has a diffuser over the top of it, so you can't see any hot spots in the LEDs. And let's go ahead and take a look at my wall right now with the other set. And again, if you get the triangle set, you get 6 of the triangles, and you can connect them in any different patterns. As you can see here, all the connection points for the different ways that you want to connect these together. You have your power adapter here, and it is all white, so that would blend in with really nice cord management as well. Here is kind of your control box as well with your different functions on here if you want to use all this, or speech, of course. You got your AUX plug here as well. You got a lot of 3M sticky tape to hold that on your wall, and then all your different, they look like little SIM cards, but all your different connections that you put in the triangles once again. Oh, and then here is a AUX to a double out splitter here as well. And so again, all those different little SIM card connection things, they go in any one of these, where you can have it up on your wall like this, connect it right here, and then you have another one down here like this. So they don't even have to be triangles with these. You literally can connect the 2 connection points like this, and you can do some sort of like Darth Vader, you know, it kind of looks like one of those like Darth Vader enemy flyers. And then you can connect, you know, another one down here. So you guys get the idea. These are really, really awesome. So what I would personally do is lay out your pattern on the floor, and before you do, obviously double stick it to your wall for the best pattern outcome for you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, lastly, I don't know if this is going to be my favorite product or the triangles. This is a levitating lamp. As you can see, the diversity of the different electronic products, as well with many other products, definitely check out coolgadget.com, link in the description box below. Power plug, of course, not really interested in a power plug. What I am interested in is, how does this thing levitate? We got a nice bulb right here. Sweet, very nice. An LED Edison bulb, which is even better. And so how it does it is there's a magnet here, and the pulsing of the magnet, I guess, is going to levitate this thing. Super intrigued. And let's take a little gander here. This is going to go really cool in one of my spare bedrooms on a nightstand. So let's stop talking about it and just show you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this thing's pretty cool. I just played with it off camera. So it's plugged in, and obviously need to cord management that a little bit more properly, but behind a nightstand, this would be a little bit better. So to turn it on for the first time, if it is up here with the magnet, right? Check this out. Go right about there and let it go. And the LED bulb comes on. So cool. Obviously that will stop shaking there in a little bit. There we go there. So to turn it on and off is your touch button right here, and that turns it on and off. But that's not a magic trick. That literally is, here, let me grab something. There is literally a gap right there. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Let's see if I can do it quickly here. See if we can, there we go. As you just saw, you got to do it super quick though, because if you hold it under there, the magnet will demagnetize and then go back in right there. So how rad is that? And just use the little tie it came with. Cord management, that looks a lot better than it did. Now, if you do have small children, I would highly recommend, especially if they're going to be bumping into it or potentially whapping it or something like that, then while you're not using the lamp, if it's in a guest room or whatever, go ahead and have it fit flush up right there. But again, it won't turn on or off. If it is in the upright position, it will only turn on if it is, you find that sweet spot right there, and then it will go ahead and balance itself, and then it will turn off or on with your finger push right there. And what's nice is this is raised up right here, so that if you are fumbling around in the middle of the night, you can just kind of like go, oh, okay, there it is. And actually, look at how you could just brush it. Oh, that's pretty cool. Very nice. So check this out. Literally just go right over it. That's pretty cool. Oh man. Oh, that's even better. I thought you had to touch it. You don't even have to touch it. You almost have to just kind of just cruise right over it. You do have to give it a little bit of friction. You can't just like super swipe it, but oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. That, my friends, is going to be in a guest bedroom of mine, and that's going to get a lot of attention. I honestly don't know which product I like better, this one or the triangles. Not to mention all the small, fast wireless chargers as well. I mean, you can't beat those. But if I had to choose the product, oh man, this one for cool factor, triangles for office build factor. So they're kind of tied. I like them. Once again, folks, in the description box, top link, coolgadget.com. Go over to their website, pick one of these lamps up or anything else that you have seen in the video. I think it's super cool. Definitely a conversation starter, especially if that's in an area where you have guests over. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel in the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you like videos like this, as well as home remodel projects, DIY van life builds, and more. Once again, top link, description box below. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.